Clean Water and Sanitation Campaign. Water is essential for life. Clean water is crucial not only for drinking, but also for food production, sanitation, and hygiene. Inadequate access to safe water and sanitation services can lead to waterborne diseases. We invite you to join us in this crucial campaign. Together, we can make clean water and sanitation a reality for everyone, ensuring healthier lives and sustainable development for generations to come.
Ang malinis na tubig ay karapatan ng bawat mamamayan. Sa bawat patak ng tubig, buhay ang pinapalagay. Tubig na malinis, lipunan na masigla. Sa tubig na malinis, buhay ay laging masaya.
Let's promote clean water and sanitation. This campaign is not just about providing resources, but also about creating lasting change through education, innovation, and community involvement. Join us in making a difference and ensuring that no one is left behind in the quest for clean water and sanitation.